Hello my friends, you are welcome on your event channel, with a new natural disaster. April 5th, 2023. Hundreds of cars and homes were damaged by a severe hailstorm in Turkey, Istanbul. Heavy rains accompanied by hailstorms have battered Istanbul, a city of about 16 million people, disrupting daily life and paralyzing traffic. Since 12:30, bad weather has affected the Silivri, Bayeksekmes, Katalka and Arnavutköy districts of Istanbul, as well as some areas in the Asian part of the city. Local time. Heavy rain and torrential rain caused flash floods in Arnavutköy Market Square. The Turkish Meteorological Authority warned residents of the danger of a typhoon. Park your cars in safe places, said Orhan Sen, a meteorologist, warning especially those who live near the Bosphorus and the Asian side of the city. A hailstorm with this force, and this fury is really rare in Turkey, but despite that the local officials have alerted the inhabitants that there is going to be a massive hailstorm. But nobody expected that, and this way, so many houses were damaged, people seriously injured. The climate has clearly changed and is no longer as before, we expected everything. We are coming to the end of this video, but it was a pleasure to accompany you. I hope you are safe, and at the next video I say to you, goodbye.